Welcome back to Shakhain, the only YouTube channel for multidisciplinary professionals to share and to think and to work together for the betterment of the society. In this video, we shall discuss arbitration in Pakistan with reference to the domestic arbitration. Arbitration is a system of private justice and part of alternate techniques of disputes resolution, often called as ADR. Arbitration agreement, as defined in Arbitration Act 1940, means a written agreement to submit present or future differences to arbitration, whether an arbitrator is named therein or not. Arbitration can be without intervention of a court, where you have an arbitration agreement. Some of the implied conditions in this case of arbitration agreements are: unless otherwise expressly provided, the reference shall be of a sole arbitrator. And amongst other, one more condition is that award shall be final and binding on the parties and persons claiming under them respectively. The second thing would be arbitration with the intervention of the court where there is no suit pending. In this case, you need to submit application to file in court arbitration agreement. Third one, arbitration in suits. Parties to suit may apply for order of reference, where in any suit all the parties interested agree that any matter in differences between them in the suit shall be referred to arbitration. They may at any time before judgment is pronounced apply in writing to the court for an order of reference. Now let us understand what arbitration is in a very simple example. Mia Ahmed and Shakil Mirza have a contract where Shakil Mirza is a vendor supplying merchandising to Mia Ahmed for his business known as Mia Traders. At one stage, there arises a dispute among the parties. Mia Ahmed declined to pay a significant amount against an invoice of Shakil Mirza. When Shakil Mirza received the check, he was shocked that the check amount was 2 million as against his invoice of 5 million. He immediately contacted Mia Saab's office and was told that merchandise supplied of value 3 million were found substandard, hence were rejected in a subsequent inspection by some staff member of Mia Saab's office. Towel lot of 5 million was delivered at the warehouse of Mia Saab after inspection under the terms of the agreement by Shakil Mirza. Here, both the parties think they are right. Mia Ahmed thinks that Shakil Mirza violated the terms of contract, and Shakil Mirza thinks that Mia Ahmed breached the contract and unilaterally and arbitrarily deducted a huge amount out of his accepted consignment as well as the accepted invoice. Here, there is a dispute among the parties. For settlement or its resolution, parties can go to the court of law, of course. Let us say they don't want to go to the court because of their relationship. So what the other options they do have? Yes, there are. And arbitration is one of the options of alternate dispute resolutions. So they can think to ask another person to determine who is right. In this case, they both agreed Mr. Shah Alam to act as a private judge, in fact called here arbitrator. The parties appoint an arbitrator means that they do have an arbitration agreement. Instead of going to court, now the parties shall meet Mr. Shah Alam at his place. Mia Ahmed presents his case details, arguments with evidence as to why he is right. and Shakil Mirza shall also present his case details, arguments with evidence as to why he feels he is right. At the end of arbitration, let's assume Mr. Shah Alam decides Mr. Shakil Mirza wins and issues an award in his favor, where Mia Ahmad shall have to accept the towel lots in full and immediately release and the deducted amount to Shakil Mirza. So as per the arbitration award, here we see Mia Ahmad will have to pay Shakil Mirza 3 million rupee. However, if Mia Ahmad refuses to pay Shakil Mirza, then in that case Shakil Mirza will have to go to the court, and the court shall probably enforce the arbitration award. So this is what a brief was on arbitration in Pakistan. For your query, you may contact us at our email or WhatsApp number 00923009496921. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Shakhain if you don't have already done so for updates and our new videos. And thank you.